Welcome. In front of me is a MyPhone N23, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you want to locate the power saving mode, which might be on one of the pages. For me, it is on the second page right over here. As you can see, it's named Battery Saver. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it, and this will automatically enable it. Now, be very wary when enabling the power saving mode, as it does, for the most part, on most devices, not sure if it does on this one, tends to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. And this will result in either you not getting notifications at all when you're not using your device, or getting them delayed. So both of those might be a deal breaker for some people. Once you're done with the battery saver, you can just quickly turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.